Wave at the camera, hello. Yeah. Once again, we are going on a wonderful ISCF hike. This has to be shared. This has to be shared with all your friends on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and Twitter, and everywhere. All right, people, let's get going. So we just want to get everybody as they pass by, so you can wave at the camera. And Krishnan is always going to stay at the back to make sure that everybody gets through. That's a nice background. Yep. Don't let the people get too far behind. We have to let the tourists see the beautiful state of the Barbados now that all of the sun is bright and the... Oh well, that's why we try to organize the hikes early so that it wouldn't be too... Right, this part is obviously the valet is building his house. We don't know if we'll be able to go on coming through here indefinitely. But right now it's a great track. And somehow some people have actually got behind Krishnan. I didn't even know that was possible.
Are we turning? I can do this, y'all. No, if I can do this, they can do this. That's sure.
Well, I can't imagine that anybody could be... I can't imagine that anybody could be tired already. That's not a good sign.
You ever get the gunny yet?
Right. Okay. Hello. Get ready for your jungle experience.
Wait, I gotta put my kerchief. This is the easy part of jungle, guys. The easy part of jungle. Put my kerchief in. Yes, I
Yeah, it might drop it in the jungle and you will never find it back. Alright, the back crew has been slowed down due to the harsh territory.
And
the millipedes. And what else?
Oh, I remember last week came through. Last week came through here. Oh, this year wasn't here. Like, these trees grew recently.
Oh, you think so?
I mean, like, because the last one here was like the second year ISCF camp.
Right.
So I mean, like, this road was like wider. This path was wider.
I don't remember it being wider than this. But
It was a little wider.
Sure, what's the scariest part, sir?
You'll see.
Well, I don't know. Maybe the monkey jump. Have you seen the video?
No.
You can go ahead, guys.
Okay.
Well, anyway, show my pants, sir.
Huh?
It just gets stick.
It's sticking through your pants?
Not even sticking through my pants, it just gets stick, that's all.
Alright, but you might go and move down behind me to let people come through.
Go.
The trail is be easy. Just go a little further down there so that people could get through.
Is it stable?
Yeah, you can walk on it. I want to make sure that everybody gets through this piece safely, understand? All kind of
Like the marking, the blue marking. Further down, I think.
tourists come through here and all kind of different things, and sometimes the jungle people just come through here barefoot.
I survived.
That's very good.
Honestly, right when I first got here, I had a real tired.
We want the jungle experience to be good.
It ain't good,
So we, why isn't it good? All right, keep coming, keep coming. The out front crew is in charge. Go through.
Barbie.
Go through and go up. What happened? I really should have catch you in that pose for true.
Yeah.
I really can't believe. Yeah, you gotta be careful for the plimplers and the ants, that's for sure. Alright, we're here at the famous spot where we take pictures of them as they come up the hill. And in actual fact, today is a dry day. So there is no wet mud to slip in.
I slipping.
They don't have any reason why they can't get up. No. It's better to keep to the, that tree there can hold on to too.
Go on that one, Shane. You can make it. Come.
Yeah, hold on for that one.
Hold on to this tree to your left. The tree to your left.
Well, a lot of people like to go to the left. I prefer to go to the right.
Pull yourself up now.
A lot of people like to go to the left. But I prefer, sorry, yeah, well, left is probably better. The right is the worst way. It is my left, your right. Because you made it. You're gasping, but you made it. Go and sit down there and catch your breath while I wait for these here to get up here.
Monkeys will do it, yes, sir.
Well, but you ain't gonna see them. They're hiding from you. These monkeys both here like the ones in the wildlife reserve.
They spot you? Sir, they spot you?
No, they don't pet at you. They just run from you.
Yeah, somebody's sliding. Look, who a lot of the thing there?
So the rest will come out here. Because he's stopping you. Pay attention.
Determination does it all. If I was you, I would keep to the left.
Because left got more.
If I was you all, I would keep to the left.
Look at these big all big
Y'all are lucky. Alright, go to your left now to let room for them that coming up. Go there to the left and let room for them that coming up. Y'all are lucky today wasn't a rainy day. You would have slip and slide. Alright, I gotta move along so that I make room for the people. Alright, these are the people that are fit.
Yeah, B.
Yeah, and of course, right? Hey, yes, this is the hero here. Kajay. Let's hear 3 cheers.
Hip,
for
hip.
Kajay.
Hooray!
Alright, Rabbi Stone.
Why wish I don't know.
Yeah, well, we're nearly to the top. Only one buddy got up before you.
No, I gotta help you, she right?
Right, I understand.
You wanted her to help me.
I am you, Mom. This is a lucky girl. Rock you up there first.
I want to help. Easy again.
Well, the sun is down in the monkey jump this morning, so you can't really see the people too good. Sun is shining strictly down into the monkey jump. But they're getting up to the top okay. But the big problem is Let me see if I can zoom down in the hole.
I can feel my heart between my head. That's I can feel my heart down my chest.
Well, that's because you're all accustomed to so much exercise. I didn't even remember you at Pick Aki's last time.
Wait, do you have her?
I'm not going to sit down.
No.
So it's
Every day of my life.
yes, biscuit time. Okay. We want to get the hikers. Clearly the hikers are in good hiking form.
Yeah. Oh,
We hope the hikers are not going to...
look, Uncle Sam, all them up there.
Yeah, they're way behind. As I tell you, them must take a long time. Alright, all of these people are here sitting down waiting on the rest. Yes, I got you. I can zoom in on you. And down the road we have one person by themselves. And then far in the background that you can't even see right now. Let me see if it can work. This is maximum. Look at all of them behind there. Asthmas, get asthma for true?
Yeah.
Asthma?
Asthma has asthma.
Yeah, but asthma is a strange thing. I used to get it when I was a child, but
Well, they're all here, guys. They survived.
I used to get it when I was a child, but I stopped. This is the out front crew. You were the out front crew.
You at the back.
Every year we have
A loser? Ready? You have a loser. Shut up.
every year we have the winners and the losers.